Welcome. And phone I'm using Nokia 3.1 and I'll show you how to clear credentials on this device. So we'll jump straight into settings, pull down the notification bar and tap on the little gear icon located right here to access settings, and from here we're gonna go into security and location. Then go down and tap on advanced to expand the list, and you'll see encryption and credentials. So tap on it, and the last option you can see right now is clear credentials. Tap on it, tap on OK, and now they're all cleared. So that's basically how you clear credentials. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.